Good morning, dear students. This is Vijayalakshmi here, your accounts teacher. Nowadays we are doing topic depreciation. Already we have done practical questions related to first topic of depreciation, that is straight line method or fixed installment method. Today we will start second method of charging depreciation, which is diminishing balance method or reducing balance method or written down value method. Under this method, value of asset as well as amount of depreciation goes on declining every year. In original cost method, every year same amount of depreciation is charged, but under it, every year amount of depreciation also goes on decreasing. Suppose one machine is purchased for rupees 10,000 and depreciation is charged on it at the rate of 10% per annum on written down value method. So first year the depreciation will be charged on rupees 10,000, 10% of 10,000. It will be 1,000. After using it for the whole year, the value of machine will be 9,000. In next year, the book value of machine is 9,000 rupees. So in next year, depreciation will be charged on these 9,000 rupees at the rate of 10%, means 900 rupees. So book value is the written down value of the asset. In other words, it is that part of the original cost of the asset which has not been depreciated so far. So book value is equal to original cost minus total depreciation till that date. That is book value. Right? So main merits of this type of method of charging depreciation is easy calculation, equal charges against income, no undue pressure in later years, and balance of asset is never written off to zero. Now main topic we have to do under it is difference between original cost and written down value method. The very first difference is amount of depreciation. Under original cost method, equal depreciation is charged every year, but in written down value method, depreciation goes on decreasing year after year. Second difference is amount of depreciation, basis of calculation of depreciation. Under original cost method, depreciation is charged on original cost of the asset, but in diminishing balance method, depreciation is charged on the reducing balance of that asset. Whatever balance we get in that particular financial year, depreciation is charged on that. Next one is zero level. The book value of asset can be reduced to zero under original cost method, but in diminishing balance method, the book value of the asset can never be reduced to zero. Then rate of depreciation. Under straight line method, rate of depreciation is kept low in comparison to diminishing balance method. And under diminishing balance method, the rate of depreciation is kept high. Next base of difference is approval of income tax authorities. Original cost method is not approved by income tax authorities, but reducing balance method is approved by income tax authorities. And fixed installment method is suitable for assets in which repair charges are less and possibility of obsolescence is less. On the other hand, diminishing balance method is suitable for assets which require more repair expenses with passage of time and where possibility of obsolescence is more due to technological changes such as plant and machinery, vehicles, etc. So all these are bases. In next lecture, we will do practical question related to a particular method. Thank you, children.